In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung TV App Store when it's grayed out and not clickable. First, press the home button on your remote and go to Settings, Network to make sure your TV is connected to the internet because the App Store won't work without a connection. Next, check the date and time settings under Settings, General, as incorrect time settings can disable online services. After that, go to Settings, Support, Software Update, and install any available updates. If the App Store is still grayed out, try restarting your TV or resetting Smart Hub from Settings, Support, Device Care, reset Smart Hub, then sign in again. In most cases, this restores full access to the App Store. And that's it.